Imagine the thrill of vanquishing your foes in the highest resolution, or exploring virtual worlds with no lag, no stutter, just seamless gameplay. This isn't just a gamer's dream, it's a reality that a powerful gaming PC can offer. Now the question emerges, should you buy a pre-built gaming PC or build your own? There's a certain allure to picking a shiny new system off the shelf, but building a custom gaming PC? That's a different game altogether. When you choose to build your own rig, you're not just putting together a machine, you're crafting an experience. You get the flexibility to handpick every component, from the CPU to the GPU, RAM, storage, motherboard, power supply, and even the case. That means you're in control. You decide the performance, the aesthetics, every little detail that makes this machine yours. Besides, it's often more cost-effective. Pre-built systems come with a premium, but when you're the builder,